Good morning, DXN. I'm BUDIMAN SALIM from DXN Indonesia. And 28 years ago when I joined DXN, I'm nothing. And when 28 years ago when I started to do DXN is still a very small company. Within 28 years, DXN turned out to be one of the best multi-level company in the world. And not only me changing my life, I have a lot of crew with me that have their life changed. And together today, we are on our way to Dubai, and I'm flying with DXN private jet with all our friends from the world. All of us are account ambassadors. So if you are already doing DXN, never give up. Pursue your dreams. One day you will be like us. You know why? Because if I can do DXN for 28 years, this company is very stable. If DXN is for me and for all of my friends, DXN is definitely for you and everyone in the world. Good luck and make your dreams come true.
Who can consume and use DXN products? Since DXN products are natural health products, they are suitable for all categories of people, starting from infancy to old age and the sick. Make sure you find the time and spend some money for your health before it is too late. DXN products help your body to maintain optimal health. Give them a try, and you will feel the benefits of DXN products in a more natural way. Thank you for spending your time with us.